So I'm asking anybody, please, if you could help me to pay my court fee. Sometimes things have to happen for you go different way. Share the live. You not coming, Daddy? Share the live. Yeah, my court fee need to pay. I'm asking anybody who can help me. Call my number on the live. My number is on the page. There's 2 numbers there you can call and leave your information and you get my information. Where to send the money. Share the live. Share the live. I need my court fee to pay by Thursday. Is the deadline. So anybody who needs to help can help me. Share the live. I need my court fee to pay. So anybody who can help me can help me. That's why I'm on the live to talk about it. Share the live. Anybody who needs to help, I can help. By the help of God, make that sacrifice to help me. I would be grateful. Share the live. Anybody who needs to help can help me by help me pay the court fee. You can call the number on my live and my page. Call the number. There's 2 numbers on my page, one for me and one for my son. Share the live. Share the live. I need to pay my court fee, so I'm asking anybody, please, if you could help me to pay my court fee. Sometimes things have to happen for you go different way. Sometimes God wants to get him glory, so God do everything to get him glory. So no question me by texting and talk all kind of thing. God do things to get him glory. Anything where God do and him not get him glory, I'm going to destroy it. So I don't want nobody question me and judge me. God did tell the woman when they catching the act of adultery, say, God never answer, God just write down. Everybody, all of the accusers, them disappear. So who not have no sin cause the first one for me. Who not have no sin cause the first one. And who never go do worse than me cause the first one. Who not have nothing cause the first one. God did tell them when they catch a woman in an act of adultery that. God did just never said nothing. When they say we catch her, Jesus, we catch her. Jesus go down and write with him finger in the dirt. And when they read it, everybody gone. All of the accusers. And so now going to disappear out of my life. All who not have nothing cause the first one in my life. Because we not Jesus. We not judge. Every judge God says a sinner. Don't judge me and don't sorry for me. Just pray for me. Anybody who need to help? That's why I don't like come live, you know. Because my mouth festive. You understand? When I reach someone who I say, they go answer back. Because I'm a human. God just hold me tongue tonight. Anybody who need to can help me to help pay my court fee, you can call the number on my page. Thank you. Thank you. Anybody who want to help, you can call the number on my page to pay my court fee. Thank you. Stabilizing me something now? That's why I don't want to go and look at me so that's what I do it, you know. Share the live, baby. All of my fans, them share the live because they that are with us are more than they that are against us. God said, one shall chase 1,000 and two shall put 10,000 to flight. Me no want enough people on the bandwagon. Just one. Just one faithful one. When God did go looking for a man, he said, if he find one, he will save the city. Even one, he will save the city. He looking for a righteous one. Out of millions, God said, one me want. One righteous one where heart clean. So no, every judge is a sinner. Don't judge me. You don't know nothing about me. You know how far me I come from. Let me reach out, so. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live. I need some help, guys, to pay my court fee, and if you can help, I will be grateful. Thank you. Don't take time to talk, let's put up on the phone. Anybody who needs to help me pay my court fee, you can call. Share the live. 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 I need to pay my court fee, and I'm asking you guys, Solaine fans, please if you could help me. Call the number on my page, please. There's somebody big, responsible behind this, will help me drive to pay my court fee. Share the live. Me look at job, of course, no problem. Worse than me, I look job, much less me. There's so much people I work one rubbish shop, and I collect them money, them goody clean money. There's no work it downgrade because from me band me do domestic work. So no work, no don't get it. Me go back to it now. God bless me. And the good people me I go work with. Share the live. I need somebody to help me, someone's to help me to pay my court fee. You know me bad and wicked, but God is my judge and my defense. And God said me hold me peace to fight the battle. I see what me I go through. A long time me I go through it. Share the live. I need somebody to help me pay my court fee. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live. I need somebody to help me pay my court fee. Someone need anyone to well cartel. You that jail. Me no know if me go join you, but me no know so them no put man and woman together because I'm a court fee. Me no pay yet.
Somebody the funny live I tell Donna say yeah beg court money, yeah beg bail money.
So what happened to that?
Yes, in life begging bail money. She lucky and full of heart.
I will say that.
One woman, PC cam.
She actually doesn't tell me Donna.
No, she left on live. Donna left on live. Somebody a beg Donna 60 bedroom house.
60?
6 bedroom house when you start back live.
Up so she there.
Look at just up
Trishana that.
Up at Trishana yeah actually. Come up on you like that.
Share the live. Anybody want to talk to me I beg bail money? I'm a favor whatever. You talk to yourself, not me. Anytime how you describe you're talking to yourself and your family. Describe yourself and your family, your mother, your sister, your brother. Yeah? Before you describe me, you describe your people them. Because you not have a man for yourself, you describe me. The people them man we talk to, we meet you. Share the live. And I make none of them discourage me. We reach too far in our life. I know that people mouth, cut cross, chat and talk anything. And then must I send it? Come read it now.
When me on Instagram.
Me know. Me know when picture come up. Yes, darling.
You know what somebody say? I mean, you have man, so make them pay.
Man, I know man. Me not ask you because you not have nothing. You're broke and naked like Baxel. So allow me alone, but me have man, so make man pay. That is not your concern.